Hello everyone, my name is Amal More and welcome to our channel Solution to Black Book. Now today we are solving the chapter Permutation and Combination and we are on page number 225 and question number 2. Now in question number 2 there is a set A given which has 8 elements x1 up to x8, B is given y1 up to y4 and we need to find out total functions from A to B. Now what they have given is this function is an onto function and there are exactly 3 elements in A which are mapped to B ka y1 element which is fx equal to y1 and we need to find out from the options. Okay. So let us see how to do this particular question. So we have been provided with f from A to B and A is given as x1, x2 up to x8. There are total 8 elements in A and in B there are total 4 elements y1, y2, y3 and y4. Now they have given that there are exactly 3 elements in A which are mapped to y1 element of B. So let us first select 3 elements from A. So that will be 8C3. Now all these 3 elements will go to y1. So first element will go to y1, one possibility. Second element will also go to y1, again one possibility. And third element will also go to y1. Now suppose any 3 elements are selected. Suppose x1, x2, x3 are selected. Then what are the elements remaining? x4, x5, x6, x7, x8. Total 5 elements will be remaining. Now those 5 elements should be mapped to these 3 elements y2, y3, y4 plus the function should be an onto function. Okay, so in A now there are 5 elements remaining and in B there are 3 elements remaining and we have to form the function such that it is an onto function. So let me give you a trick. Over here you can see n is equal to 5 you can say because 5 elements are remaining and m is equal to you can say 3 elements because there are 3 elements remaining and the function should be an onto function. So how can you proceed with this? First of all you say 3c0. Okay, so what you have done is 3c0. Okay, and all these 3 elements. Okay, and there is n which is 5, 3 raised to 5. Now I'll tell you the meaning of this. What is exactly happening? All these 5 elements have all the 3 possibilities. It means the first element can be mapped to all these 3 elements. Let me give you an example. Suppose you have x4. x4 can be mapped to y2, y3 and y4. Then you have x5. x5 can be mapped to y2, y3 and y4 and so on. But in doing that, sometimes what happens that y3 might remain or y4 might remain or y2 might remain. There is one of the possibilities in which x4, x5, x6, x7, x8 all can be mapped to only y2 and y3, y4 will remain. Now if 2 elements from the codomain set which is B remain, then that won't be an onto function. So here I am going to tell you the trick of forming an onto function. Okay, the trick is n and m values should be known to you. First of all, you see m and then raise it to the power of m. Then by using the principle of inclusion exclusion, you can proceed with it. So how can that be? 3c0 will now become 3c1. Now 3 elements will turn into 2 elements and 2 raised to 5. Then you write down plus. Then 3c1 will become 3c2. Now 2 elements will become 1 raised to 5. Then again minus 3c3 and now 0 elements will remain 0 raised to 5. So this is the trick for forming an onto function. Okay, so 8c3 is 8 into 7 into 6 upon 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, and this is the onto function formed by using the principle of inclusion and exclusion. Over here all the elements are included. Over here at least one element is not included. Over here at least 2 elements and over here at least 3 elements. And using that we have formed the onto function. Okay, so what will this be? 3 raised to 5, 243. 2 raised to 5 is 32 and 32 into 3c1 is 96 you can say. Okay, then 3c2 is 3c1 3. Okay, so that is how we have it. 3 into 2 6 got cancelled and then 8 into 7 is 56. 243 plus 3 is 246, minus 96 will be 150. So when we multiply 56 and 150, obviously we are going to get 150% of 56, which is 8400. So the total number of functions from A to B can be 8400. Now let us check the options. Now if you see the options, in options there is no option matching it. So hence the correct option to this question would be option number D, because the correct answer is 8400. So the correct option is option D. If your concept is clear and you liked this video, please hit the like button, do share it with your friends, do spread the knowledge, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.